welcome to my channel. My name is Marlen. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be making the salsa of the week. The salsa of the week this week is a salsa based off tomatillo. It's super easy to make. It's absolutely delicious. And honestly, it's the salsa that I've been making the most because it goes with absolutely everything. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the ingredients that you need. You need about 8 pieces of medium-sized tomatillo, 5 to 8 pieces of chile de árbol, which are the red ones, 3 chiles serranos, a piece of white onion, 2 garlic cloves, and I like to use 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon to flavor the salsa, but you can always use salt, and salt is to your liking. We're going to start preparing the ingredients for the salsa. I'm going to start by peeling the 2 garlic cloves. If you guys think this is a lot of pepper, you can always add less to the salsa. Next, we're going to get the tomatillos ready. We're going to take the little casing off and then we're going to wash the tomatillos. When you take the casing off, the tomatillo is kind of sticky, so we just want to give it a rinse to make sure we take the stickiness off the tomatillo. So all my ingredients are ready. I washed the tomatillos. They're not sticky anymore. I took the casing off. So now we're going to start to make the salsa. In a pot, I'm going to add water and I'm going to bring it to a boil. I'm going to add the 3 chiles serranos, the 2 garlic cloves, the piece of white onion, and the chiles de árbol. Remember, you guys can always adjust the quantity of the peppers. So we're going to let this boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 or 5 minutes, you're going to add your tomatillo. The tomatillo is going to take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes to cook, and they're going to change color. You want to make sure that the tomatillos hold its shape and that they don't burst open. If they burst open, your salsa might be a little bitter. So it's been 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, the tomatillos have changed colors, but they're still not fully cooked through. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them cook anywhere from 3 to 5 more minutes. It's been a total of 10 minutes since I added the tomatillos. They are fully cooked. They changed color. As you guys can see, the chile serrano also changed color, so it's fully cooked too. So we're going to turn off the stove and we're going to add all of our ingredients to a blender. When I put them in the blender, I want to make sure that I don't add a lot of liquid because we're going to add the liquid in just a little bit. We're going to add the same liquid where we boiled the ingredients. This salsa is absolutely delicious and it's super easy to make. In my channel, I also have salsa de chile habanero salsa. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you guys want to try it out. It's absolutely delicious. I like to season my salsa with chicken bouillon. I just love the flavor that it gives it, but you guys can always use salt instead. I'm gonna add half a cup of the water where I boiled all the ingredients, but you guys can adjust the quantity of the water depending on what consistency you want your salsa to have. We're going to blend all these ingredients for about 4 to 5 minutes so we have a smooth salsa. That way we don't have any chunks of the chile de árbol, the tomatillo, or the chile serrano. It's going to be a very smooth salsa and it is absolutely delicious. As you guys could see, I'm almost done blending it and it looks kind of creamy. That's the consistency that you want. Next, we're going to add it to our bowl and it is absolutely delicious. It smells amazing. And this is the salsa of the week, salsa de tomatillo, and we use 2 different peppers. We use chile serrano and chile de árbol. This salsa is absolutely delicious. You guys have to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys next week with our salsa of the week. Have a great day.